Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Subhash Dhule, librarian, Government Law College, Churchgate, Mumbai. Today I am presenting here the informal resources for legal education. A law library is a collection of legal materials such as case laws, constitutions, legislation, legal articles, reporting journals, parliamentary proceedings, legal monographs, treaties, judicial and administrative decisions, and other legal resources related to national and international level, means in print as well as digital forms. For a specific class of users such as law students, legal scholars, researchers, judges, advocates, parliamentarians, and other legal specialists. The legal researchers, students, judges needs various types of information based on their subject area. Legal education. Legal education is the education of individuals in the principles, practice, and theories of law. It may be undertaken for several reasons, including to provide the knowledge and skills necessary for admitting to legal practice in a particular jurisdiction, to provide a greater breadth of knowledge to those working in other professionals such as politicians or businessmen, to provide a current lawyers with this advanced training or greater specialization, or to update lawyers on recent development in the law. Some legal education resources are presenting here, such as primary legal resources, the Constitution of India and other nations, the legislation in India such as Indian codes, gazettes of India, acts of parliament, bills of parliament, local laws of all states, legislation in foreign such as US code, United Kingdom statutes, Australian Commonwealth Consolidated Acts, Canada Consolidated Statutes. Some Indian reports are here such as Supreme Court, All India reports from 1940s onwards, Supreme Court reports 1950 onwards, Judgment Today, Scales, Supreme Court cases, High Courts, all High Court reports. Some foreign reports are presenting here such as US Supreme Court report, Supreme Court reports Canada, Australian law reports, reports of patents and trademark cases, law reports of Commonwealth, All England law reports, weekly law reports, domains law reports, federal law reports. Legal encyclopedias. There is a presenting here some legal encyclopedias such as Halsbury's Law of England, Halsbury's Law of India, and American Jurisprudence. Some legal dictionaries are presenting here such as Black Legal Dictionaries, Stott's Legal Dictionaries, Watson's Legal Lexicon. Some digests are here such as Supreme Court Yearly Digest, High Court Case Digest, Index to Indian Legal Periodicals, Index to Legal Periodicals and Books, Supreme Court Labor Digest, Digest of Labor Cases, Digest of Tax Cases, Services Law Report Digest, EIR Yearly Digest, Supreme Court of Indian Nominal Index and Comparative Tables. Now I present here some online legal database also. such as Westlaw is an international legal database, Hen Online, LexisNexis, Zester, eHeard, Monopatra, SSC Online, Law Finder. These are some of the legal databases. User or researcher can access or search the information through this database if they have the name of the party. They can access or search the information through the name of the party or the date of the judgment, or if they have the name of the court, they can access the information or search the information through if they have the name of the court or judgment date. Or student or researcher can access the information through such legal databases if they have a citation of the case. They can download all the information in the PDF format and access for further research. They can also access the information, other information such as books and some journals also they can access through the legal database. Now some law commissions are here. International law commissions, you can access the international law commissions. There is a website which are given here. Law Commissions of India, there is a website for the Law Commission of India. We can access the information through this website also. Law Commissions of Canada, or user can access the information through the website which is present here. Next one is Australian Law Reform Commission. Another one is the Law Commission of United Kingdom. There is some human rights commissions. Now we are presenting some human rights commissions and their website also. Asian Human Rights Commissions, there is a website also. Human Rights Commission of Maldives. Another one is Human Rights Commission of New Zealand. Next one is Human Rights and Equal Opportunity Commissions. Another one is Human Rights and Internet. Law Commissions, there is an International Law Commissions and their websites. Law Commissions of India, you can access further information through the website. Law Commissions of Canada, student or user can access the further information through this website also. Australian Law Reforms Commissions, user can access the information through this website also. Law Commission United Kingdoms. Next one is Law Commission of Women's Report. Thank you.